In this video, we're going to show you how to make a custom menu for your WordPress site. So to do this, go to Appearance, then go to Menus. As you can see, we have a menu here, but it's not saved yet. So let's go ahead and work on this one. This will be our first menu. Menu name, let's just make that as Menu. As you can see, we have pages here. These are the pages that you have on your WordPress site. So you can either leave it there as is, or you can actually remove them. To remove one of the pages, click on the arrow just beside this page here. Then you'll have that red link that says remove. Click on it and it will remove the page from the menu list. Now, there's also a list here of the pages that you have, all of the pages that you have for your WordPress site. So, let's go ahead and add some of those pages to our menu list. Put a check mark on the page that you want to add. Then click on Add Menu. As you can see, it's already here now. Now you can go ahead and rearrange the items in your menu. To do this, simply click and drag the item that you want to rearrange. So we can click this one, drag it, put it just below Home. We can click on About Me page, drag it so that we'll be placing it over the overview. You can also make submenus. For example, let's make sample page and sample 2 a submenu of overview. To do this, click on sample page, hold it, drag it to the right. There you go. As you can see, it's a bit indented now, so that means it's already a submenu of overview. Let's do the same thing to sample 2. There you go. Now, once you're done customizing the menu list, making the changes, click on Create Menu. Okay, now once the menu has been created, you can go ahead and click on Save Menu Now, or if you want to change something, let's say, let's remove sample 2. And let's edit some things here. So when you click on this triangle or this button just beside page, you'll see the attributes of the link that is on the menu. So you can change the title, you can change the label, you can move it up and down, you can experiment on this later on. Then once you're done with the changes, just click on the triangle again and then click on Save Menu. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.